Hello students, I am K.N. Sharma teaching you social science. In history portion, we are studying the chapter number 4, the age of industrialization. Students, the term industrial revolution stands for those developments and inventions which revolutionized the technique and organization of production in the later half of the 18th century. Students, you have studied about the organization of production in the class 9th. We have discussed more in the organization of production. These are land, labor, capital. These are the organization of production. But this industrial revolution replaced the previous domestic system of production by the new factory system. Actually, in the industrial revolution, the work was being done by the machines in place of manual work. So, in place of manual and animal power, new machine and steam power were used for producing things. And students, this revolution replaced cottage industries by factories, hand labor by machine work, and craftsmen and artists by capitalists and factory owners. When industrial revolution started, all the work was being done by machine. Cottage industries were affected because the machine took place of them, and artists also affected because big factory owner capitalists took place of them. So, this was the industrial revolution. We commonly know the revolution of bloodshedding, but when industries flourished by the machines, production was so much and produced in multiples. So, it was the industrial revolution. Students, what was the proto-industrialization? So, the word proto means the first or early form of something, and the period before building up of factories. Goods were produced in England and Europe on a very large scale. During the proto-industrialization, handmade products were produced for the industrial market. It means before the industrialization, all work was being done by handmade, manual work. and for carrying goods. The animal power was was taken. So, it was proto-industrialization. We will discuss it more in our next lecture. Okay, thank you students.